G'day, mate. Okay, that's my terrible Australian accent, but I'm actually genuinely excited for all of you in Australia. So for you Australian traders, there's finally an online broker that I can recommend you. For years, I've been asked, hey, I'm from Australia, but we don't have a lot of choices here. Do you have any sort of recommendations? And I've always had to just say, sorry, but not really. But that has now all changed, and I just want to make you aware of this so that if you are an Australian trader, whether you want to trade stocks in Australia or if you want to gain access to the USA market, then there is now a new broker that is offering you the opportunity to do so. So the broker that I am recommending is going to be Webull, and this is the site that you can see here and a lot of good things. Now I'm going to let you go and look into it all, but I just want to make you aware of it. But you can see the $0 commissions. And they have, lots of users. They've been around a while. They give you access to US stocks, US options, ETF, fractional shares, and then coming soon as the recording of this video, access to the Australian market. They have all sorts of, apps, and they just have a lot of good things, and that's what I want you to check out. Now, if you do want to sign up, then I'd encourage you to use the link that I am offering down below. So if you're watching on YouTube, then the link in the description box, full transparency, that is an affiliate link, but it's a win-win. I'll get something, sure, but you're going to also get something, whatever the promotion is. Sometimes they're giving away money, sometimes they're giving away free stocks. So you'll just have to see what the current promotion is whenever you watch this video. So like I said, click that link down below and you'll gain access to not only a great broker, but also one that will give you a good solid sign up. Now, if you've watched other videos, and I do a lot where I'm talking about platforms, and this is a cool tool. And for the vast majority of those videos, I'm using Webull. So that is the platform that you'll now have access to. So I hope you decide to get signed up for it. But like I said, I'm just so excited that now when people reach out to me, wherever, through the site, through social media, from Australia, do I need a broker? I now officially have a video that I can link them directly to. So consider it. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. But yes, for you Australian traders, good day, mate. It's a good day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.